Hello, I'm George from Magaya. This video will show you how to create a 7512 document, transmit your shipment to customs, review custom messages, and send closure requests to close out your shipment. Let's get started. You can transmit your shipment to customs after you successfully created a file in the Inbound portal. See our other video in this series for information on that step. Before transmitting your shipment to customs, you must create a 7512 form for your shipment file. Select a shipment from your list of files in the portal. Click the New Inbound button. Next, select the bills of lading that you want to include in your 7512 form. Click the Add button. At this point, an Inbound entry number will be assigned to your shipment. If you're working in your Magaya system, you can start the 7512 process from there by selecting the Create Inbound 7512 menu option. This will open the portal extension. Complete the General tab of your 7512 form. Note the Class of Entry field lets you select bond types 61, 62, and 63 to classify the movement of your shipment. For additional information on fields in your 7512 form, see the knowledge base article on how to transmit inbound shipments. Next, go to the Routing tab of your form. Enter the information of the bonded carrier that is liable for your shipment in the field under Carrier's Information. To add bonded carriers to your form, enter the information of the bonded carrier in each field. If that carrier is liable for the shipment, check the Is Liable box. You can query bonds for liable carriers by entering the carrier's ID in the Bonded Carrier ID field and clicking Query Bond. This feature is useful for verifying whether your carrier has already filed a bond for your shipment. Click the check mark to save the carrier to your form. You can add up to 4 bonded carriers to your 7512 form, however, only one of those carriers can be liable for the shipment. We recommend verifying that each field in the General and Routing tabs of your form is correct. Doing so will ensure that your form is processed without any issues. To transmit your shipment to customs, click the Transmit button. Customs will typically send you an automated reply within moments after you transmit your shipment. To view messages from customs, click the CBP Messages option in the menu. Click the transaction type for the shipment you want to select. The completed 7512 form for that shipment will open, and a brief message from Customs will be at the header of the form. For more details on Customs messages, visit the Customs website or see the knowledge base article on how to transmit inbound shipments. To print the form, click the Print button. This will generate a printable PDF of the form. To refer to the form's original transaction in the portal, click the Go to Transaction button. After transmitting to Customs, the portal will update you each time the status of your shipment changes, and when you receive messages from Customs regarding your shipment. If you created your shipment in Magaya, you can also see updates in the Events tab of the shipment. Closing your shipment is the final step in the Customs process. To send a closure request to Customs, go to the 7512 form for the shipment. If your shipment was successfully transmitted, you will see a Send Closure Request button where the Transmit button used to be. Click this button. Select a reason for closure from the Inbound Action field. Scroll to see other fields on your closure request form. When you're ready, click Send. Closure requests are typically sent after a shipment has arrived at its destination country. You can also click the Send Closure Request button whenever you need to send a closure request to Customs throughout the journey of your shipment. If you experience issues regarding a transmitted shipment or closure request, carefully review your shipment in the Inbound portal. You may need to contact Customs if the issue persists. Our support team at Magaya is also here to assist you with Magaya-specific questions. See our other videos and the Getting Started article in the knowledge base for everything you need to work with the Inbound portal. Thanks for watching.